To create a Microsoft account, you have to open any web browser and open this website, microsoft.com. Click on sign in. Click on this option, create an account. Now you can use your Gmail account or any other email account to create this Microsoft account, and then next. So a code will be sent to this email account. You have to open your email. Now select the country, select the date of birth, and then next. Now you have to enter your first name and the last name. You can either select this option or you can deselect it and then select next. After that, you will get this kind of option which you have to use in order to prove that you are a human. Now you can create the passkey if you have the device, or else select skip for now. And then you can see that I have created a Microsoft account. Now next time you have to log into your Microsoft account, you have to click on this sign in button. You have to enter the Gmail address that you have used in order to create Microsoft account. Next, select send code. A verification code will be sent to your Gmail account. Enter the code, and then you will be logged into your Microsoft account.